If you have not set your goals so far, time to do it is now. If you have not decided the purpose of your life, you should not wait for any longer. Your significance of life is something which you must know. I'm going to suggest to you seven steps. Seven steps which can be just by remembered by one word, which is purpose. Purpose, where P stands for positive health, U stands for unending faith. Faith is very important. R stands for riches, money only to the extent you need. P stands for your people, your family. O stands for optimism, your attitude, your belief in yourself. S stands for society, social circle, social purpose. And E stands for enjoyment, recreation, happiness. Now let me elaborate on each of these. Positive health, what does it mean? It means that you take care of your health to the extent that, except for some kind of disease which is beyond control, which is infectious, you should be able to live a healthy long life. Life which is regulated, life where you can do your duty properly, where you can look after the work, your family, etc. So, how do you maintain positive health? Just it's simple. If you have proper food, timely food, take morning walk or do some exercise, and keep your mind cool. Proper positive health means not only your physical but also your mental health. Mental health is also very important. Unending faith. What is that? We must have faith, but it should be consistent, unending. It should never end. It should never be shaken. The faith gives you power. The faith makes you courageous, and it makes you face the difficulties which are a part of life. Riches not that you can flaunt, you can be proud of, not to make you feel big. Riches, money is important. So, riches to the extent that you need, that you can look after your family properly, you can look after their well being. That much money you must have, and you must strive to make. Next, your goal should be your people, your family. You have to look after your family. You have to look after the relationship, how to make your family happy, and how to interact with them so that you all work and be happy as a family. Optimism. Yes, you must maintain optimism. You must be optimistic. Only an optimistic can give lot of hope, lot of fellow feeling, lot of happiness to the family members, to society, to everyone around him or her. Optimism is your attitude as well, your belief in yourself, that will bring you optimism, and vice versa. Your optimism will bring belief in yourself when you are working, when you are following your duty, and likewise, if you are doing that, you will be prompted to be optimistic. Another as for social purpose. Social purpose. We are all social human beings, and we have to give back to the society. Imagine if there were no people who could have contributed to the development of humanity, where we would have been? Where could we have all these comforts, all these gadgets, all these implements that we use every day? So it should be our goal to contribute to the society, to contribute to the growth of the society. Finally, enjoyment. Yes, you must be happy. You must enjoy. You must consider that life is beautiful. So, because if you are happy, if you enjoy, that will give you more enthusiasm for your life. You will consider it's a gift, and life is a gift, and we must value it. So, therefore, purpose is positive health, unending faith, riches that you need, people, your family, your optimism, and society's contribution to the society, and finally, enjoyment, your happiness. All are important. Thank you.